If you want to make amazing reels that helps me generate views like this, but also helps me generate financial months like this, I've got one quick tip for you. And it might seem very simple, but all you need to do is clean up the audio of your content. I've watched too many reels from fitness coaches where it sounds like they're talking into a tin can. I promise you, it doesn't cost that much. So let's kick it off. You could get one of these. This is a lapel mic. It costs 10 to 15 pounds on Amazon. Plug it into your camera or your phone, you're good to go. If you've got a bit more cash, you might get one of these microphones. Now this is a USB mic. This cost me about £40. You can get different ones at different prices. I would also recommend getting one of these little devices because then I can plug this into my phone and then I can actually put my USB mic into that and I can make better content without having a professional camera. And there's one more thing you might want to try, and that is getting a wireless lapel mic, which is sort of like this, but I don't need all the wires. I do have one, it's just upstairs. Perfect for shooting in the gym. Now look, people listen to content, so the quality of the audio needs to be good enough to hook people in. If the audio sounds like you recorded it in a tin can, no one's gonna listen and they'll be pressing the X button on your video. If you wanna know how to make amazing content, I actually did a free training on this. Just drop me a DM with the word free training and I'll send it over.